Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to generate some 3D models in Blender with the help of ChatGPT. So let's get started. So just go to your ChatGPT website and type your required prompt, and this method doesn't work for all the 3D models, okay? So you can't just go and ask ChatGPT to create a house and it will just create a house for you in Blender. So that's not going to happen. So this will work only for some scenes and some use cases. So that's like a disclaimer. So I will just go with the prompt, a Python Blender script to generate 100 spheres in our interface. So I will just run this. So this will basically give us a Python script or a program which we can just copy paste inside our Blender, which will in turn create our 3D models. So this is the script that I get. I'll just copy this and we have to go to Blender, and in the Blender just delete the default cube. You'll be having here scripting on the top. Click that, click new, and just paste the Python code, and you have to just click on run. So here you can see I am getting hundreds of spheres like this, and in case if you are good with this scripting and language stuff, you can literally like modify this based upon your use case. And this also works for some animation scenes, like a towel falling on a ball rolling down. It works in some cases, and in some cases that I tried, it gave me an error. So this is what I said, and in future I would really like to see a place where we can just paste the code and it literally creates us a 3D model, any 3D model, even a home or something. So let's go with the home now and check what it gives. Okay, so it has given me a script and it says that creating a detailed home in Blender using a Python script is a complex task. So it has like literally given up in the first sentence, but in anyways it gives us some code to create a minimalistic 3D model of a home. So I'll just copy this and paste it, and let me just run this. So this is the home that I get. The roof is good, and I don't know why there is like space. So you can just use this for your like minimal work, in case if you want to like bombard so many models or so many 3D models on your UI rather than duplicating it or copy pasting it. You can just use the code where you can replicate so many things in case of raindrops, in places where you want to have a single model but in large quantity. You can use this way. So this is it, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I done a lot of programming videos and AI tutorials. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.